Brazil is more than carnival, football, and cliches. It's a country of contradictions and of thinkers. Hi there, my name is Fernando Tyet. Welcome to Tyet's channel. Today we are diving into one of the most heated political disputes in Brazil, the fight over who will succeed Justice Luís Roberto Barroso in Supreme Federal Court. On one side, the government pushes Jorge Messias, the Attorney General of the Union. On the other, Senate leaders, especially Davi Alcolumbre, prefer Rodrigo Pacheco. But what's really at stake here? Let's break it down critically from a left-wing perspective. The Supreme Court vacancy, it's not just about filling a seat. It's about shaping the balance of power for years to come. President Lula nominated Jorge Messias, a loyal ally, but his candidacy faces resistance in the Senate. Alcolumbre and others argue for Rodrigo Pacheco, a senator with stronger ties to the legislative elite. This clash reveals deep fractures between the executive and the legislative branches, with accusations of interference and threats of blocking the nomination. For Lula and the executive, Messias represents continuity and loyalty. He is seen as someone who will defend government's agenda in the judiciary. His nomination is also a way to consolidate influence in the court, ensuring decisions favorable to the administration. But critics argue is less about democracy and more about securing elite consensus. Messias is not a radical reformer. He is a technocrat aligned with the system. For Alcolumbre and Senate's allies, pushing Rodrigo is about asserting independence. They want to show that the Senate is not just a rubber stamp for the executive. Pacheco's candidacy symbolizes legislative power-resistant presidential dominance. Yet, from a left-wing lens, this is not about defend democracy either. It's about protecting the privilege of the political class. Pacheco represents the conservative establishment, not the people. Thinkers like Jones Manoel remind us these disputes are battles within the elite. Whether Messias or Pacheco wins, the working class gains nothing. But candidates are committed to maintain capitalist order and neoliberal governance. The Supreme Court itself has historically defended elite interests, from privatizations to austerity measures. Expecting transformative change from these institutions, it's naive. The real issue is that the people have no voice in this process. The nomination is controlled by the executive and approved by the Senate, two institutions far removed from popular participation. This fight could not deepen the rift between branches of government, but it won't change the fundamental reality. Brazil's judiciary remains an instrument of class domination. The left wing insists that true democracy requires dismantling these elite structures, not just swapping faces at a top. So, whether it's Messias or Pacheco, the outcome won't serve the majority. It's another chapter in the endless struggle of elites over power. For us, the lesson is clear. Only grassroots organization and the popular struggle can bring real change. Thanks for watching Tyet's channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more critical takes. Channel from Brazil to the world. Subscribe, think critically.